go down every now and then to see what the devil's up to with open mind and clear head. He's at home on the edge of the bed, looking good. He hasn't aged a bit, squeezing the life out of that bottle. Clean sheets, full fridge. Now looking around, it's hard to keep count. Creatures with their souls standing in line, willing to sign, biting the bait, ready to trade. And who wouldn't trade a trick or two for something that only causes pain? Praise his name or live a life in vain. Now I don't get my hopes up, nothing good ever comes out of it. I've been here before. I keep my eyes on the door, snooping around. I've seen enough. I'm going back up to my red room. I've got things to do. Gotta change my sheets. Gotta fill my fridge.